High Court of Occupied Kashmir has annulled 2 detention orders issued under the Public Safety Act, resulting in the release of the detainees, while affirming one citing the district adherence to the mandatory provisions of the Act by the Detainees Authority. According to Kashmir Media Service, High Court nullified the PSAs of the Sabur Ahmed of Shopian and Mushtaq Ahmed Ganai of Baramulla. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram, responding to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remarks regarding the Congress party is the Sultan of the Tukre gang, said that it was the Bharatiya Janata Party who in fact broke the state of Jammu and Kashmir into 3 different parts. This is absolute rubbish. Every time they BJP are faced with a concrete set of plans, programs from the Congress, they will accuse the Congress. At least 4 people were killed and 3 others rescued in a boat carrying mostly the school children capsized in the river Jhelum in Srinagar on Tuesday morning. Personnel of the State Disaster Response Force have been deployed to rescue the other missing persons. The rescued persons were receiving treatment in the Srinagar hospital. Scoffing at the BJP's Sankalp Patra, its manifesto for the Lok Sabha elections, National Conference leader and the former Chief Minister Umar Abdullah said that it was aimed at the destruction of the state. National Conference leader, according to Kashmir Media Service, said, "I have been busy campaigning since morning, but I have gathered their manifesto has nothing for Jammu and Kashmir." After being thwarted by the local administration earlier, Pashmina March will now take place on April 17 tomorrow. According to Kashmir Media Service, this was announced by the Ladakh educationist and the innovator Sonam Wangchuk. Village Defence Committee members, especially those deployed in the villages at the line of control in the Nowshera in the Rajouri district, have protested and demanded the release of their pending salaries.